Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict our phone field to US country code format in WPForms plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our phone field. So we are going to allow only US country code format, United States. Now go to form builder. So this is our phone field. So click on it. And then you see general advanced, so click on advanced. In advanced you see input mask. Now paste and you will find this format in video description or in comment section. So this is our US country code format +1 and then you see 999. So in front form you see blank space in place of 9 figure. So you can add this input mask in phone field and then click on save. Now form save done, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our phone field. Now hover on it and then you see placeholder. Now click on it. So you can add your US country code number. Now you see again remove. So this is our format now. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.